Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you all the top tricks about your JVC speaker. So, at first we have the LED lights, which are honestly beautiful. We can see out of pre-made presets, and you can switch between them using just a single button, which is over here. Apart from that, we have volume slider, which is for me the best reason to change the volume. I mean, it's very comfortable rather than doing this using the plus and minus buttons like on most speakers. And apart from that, of course, we have the equalizer, which can be used using just one button,
sound.
this M button.
Balance
That's it.
sound.
Hope it helps you, and goodbye.